Okay, so I want to say this before this video starts, but I am really sorry for the lack of uploads. I'm going to try to upload more now that I'm done with school, and that now it's summer, and if you guys have any more video ideas, which I have a video idea that someone gave me, which I'm gonna go record, but this video is really just dumb, and it's basically an attempt, so that's what it says in the title. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I thought I'd upload it because I just never got around to it. So here's the video now. In this video, I'm going to be attempting to install Ubuntu without using a GUI. Well, we're going to be using Windows and extracting a Windows Ubuntu FS Squash whatever, the big part of the where all the files and stuff are stored. So we're going to actually be using Windows, and I just had a weird thought. Why don't you just try to install Windows without using the Ubuntu GUI? Just make an NTFS volume, extract the files to there, and then install it through there, and then remove the Windows drive off of the VM, and try to boot off of it. So as you can see, we're installing Windows 10 right now, as we need Windows for the process, as we are going to be using a Windows, as we're going to be using an NTFS volume, extracting the files, and then attempting to convert the partition from NTFS to ext4. And you can see we're going through the out-of-box experience, or OOB. So there we go. This might take several minutes. And so basically, I just had this random idea in my head. Why don't you just extract the file system, whatever, onto an NTFS drive, and then attempt to convert it over to ext4 and attempt to boot off of it. So as you can see, we're doing some customizations, as I just thought I'd customize the VM, and well, so as you can see, we're downloading Firefox because I kind of use Chrome a little too much, so I wanted to try out Firefox. And so I don't know what I was doing, but I was trying to let it update, and we make the partition, and now we are just setting Firefox as the default browser, because why not? We download Ubuntu, and we're downloading 7-zip as we need it. So we got it done, and I had an issue. I was wondering how was it actually mounted on there, or what the file system was. But since I had 7-zip on my actual computer, it was really because I use Night and it sets all the default file extensions to 7-zip. So I was really confused, and I was trying to find it, and eventually I found it, but then I had to format as I did wrong, and so now we are extracting the files, as you can see, and I thought this would be a good video and seeing what would happen. And so we are right now extracting files. I don't know what I was trying to do. I was just trying to, I guess, spam up the VM, because why not? Just trying to make it, but obviously that didn't work. But I don't know what I was doing. But I just set that as the default, I guess, the default stuff, with the default thing. So now I don't know what I'm doing. I was just searching I was just looking around. I don't know why, but I don't know what I was looking. Oh yeah, I was looking for I was looking on how to convert it. And apparently you have to use Easy US or whatever partitioning stuff. And so I try to install it, and in the process, I in the process, you can see here in a minute, I'm trying to convert it, but there was no way. So I thought, why don't I just try to boot off of it on UEFI? So I wonder, would it boot off of would it just boot if so I restarted it and turned it off, and I removed that, and it was trying to boot the Windows ISO, and as you can see, that didn't work. So basically, this was a failed attempt video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, get subscribed and turn on the bell so you guys receive new notifications on when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye for now.